Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could easily fix if the YouTube videos are not playing on your mobile. If your YouTube is facing some issues and you don't know how to fix that, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to check whether you are using the up-to-date version of the app or not, because usually not using the up-to-date version causes some glitches. Simply head towards the Play Store. Tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the search bar at the top and search for YouTube. And here you have to simply make sure that you are using the up-to-date app. If not, simply update that, because updating the app usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app and you're be good to go. Once you are done, simply go back, head towards the YouTube app and tap and hold it. Head towards app info. From the app info, head towards storage and cache and clear out the storage and cache for your